Hey YouTube, Cool Gecko here. Now the review that I'm gonna do is on one of the best longboard wheels you can ever find. They're called orangutan wheels. The best part about orangutan wheels is that you can practically customize them with anything. You can customize them with any bearings, any trucks, any deck, anything. And plus, you can even put it backwards. It won't do a difference. But make sure when you get orangutan wheels, make sure you get the ones with grip. And the grips are better than the other normal ones because the other normal ones just go straight like that, but they don't really do anything. If you're gonna try and slide on the road, you're gonna fall over because a little pebble, just a tiny one, like the grain of sand. You're still gonna fall. But with these fat-free orangutan wheels, fat-free is just the name of it, okay? Anyway, they have like a little something like a ramp or something like that. So if a rock right here just goes like that, it'll just go over it. But the other ones are flat, so if there's a rock here, you just fall. Anyway, I put them with ceramic bearings, and ceramic bearings are really good, but a lot of money. Okay. So if you want a ceramic bearing, make sure you have 180 bucks in your wallet. And the fat-free orangutan wheels come in 3 colors. Orange is the most common, purple, and yellow. The number 1 best orangutan wheel is called In Heat or For President. There's 2 best. They come in orange, and they cost a lot of money. The In Heat cost 112 bucks on the Loaded Boards website. They're the original, not the original, but you can also find them in orangutanwheels.com. Though that's the original, but Loaded Boards on the Orangutan Wheels team. Plus their decks are so good. I even want one for Christmas. Anyway, this one's a fat-free one. I'll tell you the length and width. 65 millimeter, 37 millimeter contact, and 88. They're made in California, and yet they're still the best. You get them, and this one costs 48 bucks in the store, 46 bucks in the Loaded Boards, and I don't know the price, but maybe 48 bucks in the Orangutan Wheels website. Anyway, they're really good, and plus, the ones that have grip are easy to break in. Not like breaking or destroying like that or ruining. It's getting used to. It goes better and better, trust me. And plus, you can practically customize them with anything. Customize with any bearing, any trucks, any deck, anything. I'm telling you anything. Okay? You have the money and time to get or have a lawnmower they want to upgrade, make sure you get the orangutan wheels. They're sizzling. Bye.